Hi, in this video we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017 edition Quant Problem Solving question number 77. Let's have a look at this question. The question says if k is an integer and 0.0025 into 0.025 into 0.00025 into 10 to the power k is an integer, what is the least possible value of k? So basically, right, this question is a simple calculation question. You don't need to too much think over this question to arrive at an answer. All you need to do is know the basic conversion of the decimal to a integer, right? So, but before that, what is an integer? Integer is nothing but an whole number with both positives and negatives, like 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 keeps goes on. So basically, how will we convert a 0.1 to a fraction? We can write it as 1 by 10, right? So to convert this into an integer, we have to multiply with a 10, right? To a whole number means we have to convert this to a multiply with a 10. For an example, here, 0.025. If we have to convert this to an integer, we can write this as 25 by 10 power 4 because there are 4 decimal points here. So 10 to the power 4. To convert this into an integer, we have to multiply with 10 to the power 4. So that means here 10 to the power 4, the 4 is nothing but the k value, right? Basically, we have another 2 more decimals to figure out, but technically they are asking the power of 10 here. So in that case, the power of 10 cannot be negative, right? A, B is ruled out. If the power of 10 is 0, then it means to say that we have to multiply with 1. You have to multiply with 10. That is, the power is 1 means power is 0 means the product, 10 to the power 0 becomes 1. Anything power 0 becomes 1. So that means we have to multiply this entire product with 1. In that case, right, this 1 that's not going to give you this as an integer, right? Because still you have this decimal point pending. So answer choice C is not technically possible. So answer has to be either D or E. By this time itself, we should have eliminated D because already, right, we need 4. Another 0.025 would be needing another 3. So another, right, 0.0025 would be needing another 5 zeros as well. So technically, if you look at it here, for 0.025, which is nothing but 25 to the 10 power 3, we need another 3 zeros to multiply, right? So likewise for 0.025, 25 divided by 10 to the power 5, we need another 5 zeros to convert this to an integer. So basically 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 zeros you need to convert this to an integer. So answer has to be E here. I hope this is clear. I believe you all understood why it cannot be negative and 0. Negative means what? 10 to the power minus 12. Further you are dividing by tens, right? So that means further it will make this as to the decimal point further move to the left, right? So you will have more zeros in your product, more zeros to the right of the whole number, otherwise to the left of the whole number you will have, right, to the right of the decimal point, otherwise to the left of the whole number you will have 0 0 0 0, like this. Keep on, many zeros will going on if you are dividing by 12, dividing by 10 to the power 12. So 10 to the power 0 is 1 product is not going to convert anything. So answer has to be here E12. It has to be a positive number, and since, right, number of decimal point here is totally 12, we need to multiply with 10 12s to convert this to an integer. So you can note that here they have given the least, something very important. You can multiply with 100 tens or 200 tens, that is 10 power 100 or 10 power 200 to convert to an integer. The idea is the least, at least what is the minimum k I should multiply to convert this to an integer. Least has to be minimum 12. I hope this is clear. Thank you.